Good morning, sir. How are you? I'm calling you from Abu Dhabi regarding the failed solenoid valve. Okay, this is my backyard. Okay, and this is the bump room. Bump room is very well ventilated. It has no ceiling actually, but the valves are located away from the direct sun. Here in the backyard there are 3 valves, and in the front side of the villa there are 2 valves. Okay, now there are 3 valves. This is the faulty valve. I remove the connector, the waterproof connector cover, just to check by the multimeter in front of you. Now I will show you. So this is for irrigation. This one I installed, and I put this cover just to protect it from the sun, because this is the only one is subject to the sun. And this one is for the balancing tank for the pool, and this one is for the other hoses, like this hose and other hoses, water supply, and they are all work with smart devices and smart applications installed here, like this Sonoff, this Sonoff, this Sonoff. Regarding the transformer, these are the transformers. I have a brand new one here. They are also brand new, just recently installed, but here is the specs. 150 watt, yeah, 12 volt, from 240 to 12 volt. Very high quality, very big, very reliable, very durable, and accurate reading. It produces exactly 12 volt. Okay, so I closed the water supply for this part of the piping, because of, otherwise if I leave it, the plants will die. Okay, so for now there is no irrigation. You can see the irrigation is not there because the main valve is closed. By the way, there is a bypass valve here, mechanical bypass valve. That bypass valve was originally installed from 2 years. It never been failed, and this solenoid valve just replaced a timer, you know, the irrigation timer. I thought this will be better, and to complete the whole system by the same thing, by the same Sonoff and switch bot control. This is done here by Sonoff. Anyways, I just removed the cover to check the voltage. So okay, I brought the multimeter to do a voltage check. Okay, by the way, that yellow wire is to just earth the body of the valve for static chargers or for any other things. Like everything here, you know, as you know, in the pump room should be grounded, should be earthed. Like this one also, it is earthed. This one is earthed. The pump is earthed. This is pool pump, not the water supply pump. Everything here is earthed. Okay, so this has nothing to do with the coil. It's not connected to the coil. It's connected to one of, like this is connected here. You can see it's not connected to the coil. Coil has 2 wires, the positive and the negative. Okay, so I just removed the cover, as I mentioned, just to do the wiring check. Okay, so let me because there is no one around to help me to take the video, so I'll just confirm that there is no supplied voltage. Okay, so okay, it is 0 volt. Okay, and the main water supply, the manual valve, is closed. I'm gonna open it. Yeah, you will see that the irrigation will start to have water. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, so this is supposed to be closed because there is no power supply, and this valve is installed 2 years ago. It is always closed, bypass, because this solenoid valve replaced a timer. There was a timer before. I just thought this will be better, and it can be controlled by the Sonoff. This is the Sonoff for the irrigation solenoid valve. Okay, anyways, I will put it on and off also to see nothing will happen. Okay, the irrigation is on. Okay, irrigation is on. Now I will put that solenoid valve on and off just to check the voltage also. So this is the sono 4. This one works independently by a schedule through application, EV link application, but just for testing purposes I manually pressed it. So now 12 volt is supplied. Even you hear the click of the click of the solenoid. Yeah, let's see the 12 volt is supplied or not. Now 12 volts should be supplied. I hope the video can capture everything. Okay, you can see it is 11.96 volt DC. Okay, now I will turn off the sun off the power supply to the valve. The water irrigation should stop, but it doesn't stop. Okay, again, now 0 volt. The coil is de-energized. Okay, let's see the irrigation. The irrigation is still on. Okay, please don't have any doubt about this valve. This is a bypass. This one always closed. We never open it. I only open it in case the valve or the timer fail to open, but this is opposite case. Okay, I never touch this. It's fully closed manually, no diaphragm, nothing, no rubber parts. It's all plastic or PVC, and it is installed everywhere. It's always okay. Even for this valve there is a bypass. Everywhere there is a bypass. I will close, otherwise they will over saturated with water. The plants will will be having too much water, which is no good. Okay, now I closed. Now the irrigation stopped. Okay, so the valve is faulty. The valve is faulty. The water comes from the main supply of the villa. Crystal clear water is clean, clear. We are drinking this water also. So how we are taking our bath, shower, everything by that water. So how can you expect debris are there? Now you tell me, if I need to open the coil, take it out and see the plunger, and take it out also and see the rubber thing, or how can I dismantle? Like I remove everything here and take it out, but the backing and o-ring need to be replaced in this case. If I do so, there should be o-rings and backing here. I can see backing here also. Okay, so you can tell me your decision about this valve. This valve is faulty and it failed by itself. It has no direct sun. It has open air to sky. So the ambient temperature in the shaded area is about 38 maximum, and it goes in the night to 25, 26, 28. The only one which is having direct sun partially for 2 hours, I installed this shade to protect it from the VU and the direct sun. That one which is there inside is okay, no direct sun. That's why I didn't install also any shade. I hope this is clear, and I could explain with my poor English everything. Okay, thank you.